Hey there. Before you scroll, ask yourself one honest question. Are you actually growing, or are you just getting older? Because time doesn't care about your potential. It only rewards what you do with it. While most people spend years waiting for motivation or the perfect moment, a few people make a different choice. They commit to one hobby, one skill, one obsession that looks small at first, but quietly transforms them into someone stronger, sharper, and more confident. Today, I'm going to share 10 hobbies that can completely change your life. And if you commit to just one of them, 6 months from now, people won't ask what happened to you. They'll ask, how did you do it? First, boxing. Not to fight other people, but to fight the version of yourself that gives up too easily. Every punch builds discipline, confidence, and resilience, proving that you're stronger than the doubts in your mind. Second, journaling. Writing your thoughts forces you to slow down and understand yourself. It clears mental clutter, improves your decisions, and helps you become more self-aware. Third, weightlifting. Not for appearance, but for discipline. The weights never lie. They teach you that real strength is earned through patience, consistency, and hard work. Fourth, calisthenics. Learning to master your own body through movements like pull-ups, dips, and handstands reminds you that your limits are often far beyond what you believe. Fifth, chess. A quiet game that trains your mind to think ahead, stay patient, and remain calm under pressure. Every move teaches you to make better decisions both on and off the board. Sixth, communication. Learning to speak with confidence can change every area of your life. It helps you earn respect, build stronger relationships, and create opportunities that knowledge alone never could. Seventh, reading. One great book can save you years of mistakes. Every page gives you access to someone else's experience, allowing you to learn faster, think deeper, and grow wiser. Eighth, running. You're not running away from problems. You're building the endurance to face them. Every mile strengthens both your body and your mindset, teaching you not to quit when things become uncomfortable. Ninth, learn a high-income skill. Whether it's copywriting, sales, programming, web design, video editing, or AI, valuable skills create valuable opportunities. The more problems you can solve, the more valuable you become. Finally, content creation. Not for fame, but for influence. Creating content teaches you to communicate clearly, organize your thoughts, and share ideas that can inspire thousands or even millions of people. In today's world, attention is one of the most valuable assets you can build. You don't have to master all 10 hobbies. Just choose one and stay consistent. Small actions repeated every day create extraordinary results over time. Your future self will thank you for the decision you make today. So, which hobby are you starting first? Comment its name below and subscribe to Inspire Sense for more videos that help you build a stronger mind, a stronger body, and a better life.